This is bin washing machine with return conveyor. This is a square bag filter where the water filter used, and this is pressure gauge where the pump pressure will show. This is uploading unloading area and return, and from here the bin return to the operator. From there he is loading the bin like this. So this is complete SS30 machine with return conveyor. Here we have used drive motor with roller, and after this we have used the gravity of the conveyor. That's how we have made this machine. So thank you for watching this video.